I swam here at Sacred Heart on the D1 swim team, so I met my family right away, which was awesome. That honestly really helped me get through, and all the people I met along the way, and it just felt like I had a family here from the beginning, just right from the get-go. You know everyone, it's a big community, and that's what I always loved about Sacred Heart, and that's why I came back for grad school. For physical therapy, you can be in multiple settings, right? Hospital, outpatient, sports teams. You can do a lot of variety of things, so they allow us to explore the different avenues before going out into the real world and seeing okay, what's out there, and maybe where our specialty is or where we think will shine the most. So I think that was an amazing part of the grad school program, and just how they put together the classes too. It was very team-based, so it was a lot of collaborating with each other, and I think that really, what we called tutorials, I think that really helped me for the real world, problem solving. Thank you to the SHU community for everything, and I hope people who are looking to come here, see how it's helped so many people get to where they want to be, and just see how great of a community it really is. And it just continues to grow and become even better every year, so it would be silly not to come here.